The world of compact and portable cameras is about to witness a game-changer in 2025 with the release of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Building on the already impressive features of its predecessor, the Osmo Pocket 3, this next-generation camera promises to redefine pocket-sized videography. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or a casual user, the Osmo Pocket 4 might just be the perfect tool to elevate your creative game. Let's explore what makes the Osmo Pocket 4 poised to be the king of action cameras and how it stands out in terms of features, design, performance, and more. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 retains the hallmark compactness of the series while introducing subtle but significant design updates. Slightly larger than its predecessor, it reportedly measures 140 by 43 by 35 mm and weighs around 190 grams. The increased size serves to house upgraded hardware, yet the camera remains portable enough to slip into your pocket. A key design highlight is the rumored 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen. This screen is said to have a resolution of 480 by 800 and boasts an impressive brightness of 800 nits, making it much easier to use in bright outdoor conditions. The improved display size and clarity ensure effortless framing and better usability for settings adjustment. The updated ergonomics of the camera's grip and controls make handling the device more comfortable, whether you're filming a quick vlog or a cinematic masterpiece. At the heart of the Osmo Pocket 4 lies an advanced 1-inch CMOS sensor, a slight incremental upgrade from the already capable sensor in the Pocket 3. With a rumored 12-megapixel resolution or higher, this sensor promises sharper, more detailed images and excellent performance in low-light scenarios. Paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens, the camera is expected to deliver superior dynamic range and vibrant colors, ensuring that every frame looks stunningly realistic. For videographers, the Pocket 4 offers an impressive leap forward. It's speculated to support 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, doubling the frame rate of the Pocket 3. This enhancement allows for incredibly smooth slow-motion footage, opening up creative possibilities for filmmakers. Additionally, the inclusion of 10-bit color modes, such as D-Log-M and HDR, enhances post-production flexibility, enabling creators to capture scenes with greater depth and detail. The Osmo Pocket series has always been celebrated for its stabilization, and the Pocket 4 takes this to another level. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal is designed to deliver rock-solid stabilization even during rapid movements. Whether you're running, biking, or walking, the gimbal ensures ultra-smooth footage without the need for additional equipment. ActiveTrack 7.0, a rumored upgrade to DJI's focus and tracking technology, is expected to make the camera more reliable in dynamic conditions. By incorporating advanced features such as phase detection and eye tracking, the Pocket 4 could follow fast-moving subjects with precision, making it ideal for action-packed scenarios or vlogs with frequent motion. DJI has a track record of listening to user feedback, and the Osmo Pocket 4 seems to address many requests from the community. The new model is anticipated to support expanded accessory options, making it more versatile than ever. From external battery packs for extended shooting to waterproof cases and ND filters, the accessory ecosystem around the Pocket 4 could significantly enhance its usability in diverse environments. The camera is expected to feature enhanced audio capabilities as well. Its integrated 3-microphone array is likely to offer better wind noise reduction and stereo sound recording, ensuring crisp and immersive audio quality. Additionally, support for external microphones and DJI's wireless audio systems provides even more flexibility for vloggers and interviewers. The Osmo Pocket 4 is also rumored to bring improvements to battery life and charging speed. While the Pocket 3 delivered up to 166 minutes of 4K recording on a single charge, its successor might extend this to nearly 200 minutes. Faster charging capabilities, potentially reducing full charging time to just 25 minutes when using DJI's PD charger, make the Pocket 4 even more convenient for creators on the go. DJI has consistently maintained a 3-year product cycle for its Osmo Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 is no exception. Following this timeline, the camera is expected to hit the market in late 2025, giving DJI ample time to refine its features and ensure a robust product launch. As for pricing, the Pocket 4 will likely cost slightly more than the Pocket 3, which launched at $539 for the basic version and $689 for the Creator Combo. Early estimates suggest the Pocket 4 could be priced at $699 for the Standard Edition and $799 for the Creator Combo, reflecting its advanced capabilities and premium positioning. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 set a high standard with its 1-inch sensor, 4K at 120 FPS recording, and compact design. However, the Pocket 4 appears to take these features to the next level. The improved sensor, faster frame rates, and smarter autofocus technology make it a compelling upgrade for those seeking cutting-edge performance. While the Pocket 3 remains an excellent choice for those who value affordability and immediate availability, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a worthy successor for anyone willing to wait for the next leap in pocket camera technology. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a remarkable addition to the world of portable cameras. With significant upgrades in design, performance, and features, it promises to cater to a wide range of users, from casual vloggers to professional filmmakers. Its combination of a larger sensor, enhanced stabilization, improved slow-motion capabilities, and versatile accessories could solidify its position as the ultimate action camera in 2025. While the wait for the official release might feel long, it's clear that DJI is investing the time to deliver a product that exceeds expectations. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or creating professional quality content, the Osmo Pocket 4 is set to make every shot count. So, are you excited for the upcoming DJI Pocket 4? What are you expecting from it? Share with us in the comments section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching.